Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook unique Maggi. To begin, boil 1.5 cups of water. Instead of just the seasoning packet, add a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and a pinch of turmeric to the boiling water. This simple step immediately elevates the base flavor, moving beyond the ordinary. Once the water is seasoned, add your Maggi noodles and cook for 2 minutes, stirring gently. To truly elevate your Maggi, consider adding fresh ingredients. Finely chopped vegetables such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers not only boost nutrition, but also add a delightful crunch. For an umami depth, stir in a teaspoon of soy sauce, or if you prefer a spicy kick, a 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes works wonders. A dash of garam masala or dried herbs like oregano can introduce a wonderfully aromatic complexity. Transform your Maggi into a more fulfilling meal by incorporating protein. You can crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the simmering noodles, allowing them to poach for a creamy, protein-rich texture. Alternatively, sauté 50 grams of diced chicken or paneer separately and mix it into your Maggi during the final minute of cooking. For a plant-based option, cubed tofu is an excellent choice, adding substance and nutrition. To complete your unique Maggi experience, don't forget the garnish. Fresh cilantro, thinly sliced spring onions, or a squeeze of lime juice can add a burst of freshness and brightness. Serve your creation immediately in a warm bowl. For an extra touch of indulgence, consider a sprinkle of grated cheese or a small dollop of butter. Enjoy your personalized, delicious Maggi creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.